Welcome to my video. I'm about to teach you everything. We're about to backtest the strategy. I'm about to show you the strategy. I'm about to make it super easy. It's not complicated at all. We're just looking for one pattern again and again and again. And I trade the 5-second time frame. I use the 1 minute and the 15 minute for direction. This strategy is just one model. It's an A++ setup, and I only look for this one model and nothing else at all. I have a mentorship around this. I have a course around this. I have so many videos around this. I even live stream this strategy Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel from 9:40 to 11 o'clock a.m. and 12:30 to 1:30 Central Time. So let me show you. I got you all hyped up for the strategy. Let me show you how easy it is. So to the downside, it works for both downside and upside. For the downside, we're looking for this pattern exactly. So see these charts right here? Every pink candle is down, every blue candle is up and down, up and down. We're always moving up and down. All these highs are swing highs. All these lows are swing lows. And we're looking for the sweep. So we see the sweep right here. A sweep is just a break of structure. It's the same thing. So when price comes up, it takes the swing high. And then price comes back down and takes the swing low. So we create a zone with the new swing high and the newest swing low. So let's create a zone there. And then we want to tap on the zone. And after the tap, we want to break a structure. So still breaking that swing low. So after the tap, and our last requirement, one standard deviation, meaning that we want 100% away from the zone, 100% away. We're good to go. Put our entry at 50% with our take profit right here and our stop loss one tick above. So we expect price to come in and hit our take profits. All right, let's get rid of this drawing here. And this is just a pattern I'm continuously looking for. Let's show you right here. You can see the setup. Swing high, swing low, sweeping accumulation or a zone, but it's accumulation here. Price comes out, taps the zone, breaks structure after the tap. It reached 100% away. So I'd put my order at 50%. My take profit right here, my stop loss one tick above. All right, let's press play on this back test. We're also back testing December, which is the hardest month to trade. It's the worst month to trade. But right now we're getting like in a strong move and then a lot of chop, a strong move and a bunch of chop. So we're not finding many setups here. A lot of people blow their accounts and struggle during December. I'm just not going to struggle in December because I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for my A++ setups. So here, there's no proper sweep. There's equal highs. I don't take equal highs plays. Equal highs means like just two mountains. But you can still see the setup. This tap right here, candle change. So tap, break of structure, reach 100% away, fill 50%, take profit with your stop loss above. We're just looking for the setup again and again and again. I want a perfect setup. I want the perfect pattern. I want to see exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm just not seeing that right now. I see a play right here. I like it. I might take it too. Let me see if it meets my requirements. Only play I like so far. Sweep, swing high, swing low, tap on the zone, break a structure after the tap. Do I see anything else right now? I do not. I see something. I'm going to pause it. I like it. Another play to the downside. It's swept right here. Come on, buddy. Swimming, just swimming and swimming. There's a reaction. I like it. I like it so far. Okay. I'm still in this position. If we break this swing right here, I'm out. We haven't broke it just yet. Oh, I would have been tapped in right here. So I would have been filled. My takeoff would have been this break of structure, which it did not. And then we would put our TP below and our stop loss one tick above. Okay. So let's pretend that we're at 50% because we can't do limit orders on when we're backtesting. Let's just pretend that we got it at 50% here. See what happens. Come on, take profit. Got hit. Awesome. So textbook setup, nothing special at all here. We did nothing different. All we did was just follow the pattern that I just went over. I'm going to show you. We'll go over it together. Nothing special at all happened. We just saw this. Let me show you. So here's the swing high, this swing high. The sweep happens and this new swing high. So the sweep happened there. Let me make the zone tighter so you can see it. So that's where the sweep happens. You see it? So the swing high is right here. The swing low is right here. We create a zone. So you create a zone with that new swing low and swing high. Let me make the zone red. Then we want to tap on the zone. Look, price came out, tapped the zone, tapped it, Then it broke that structure. It broke structure right here. And then price came and failed at 50% and hit my take profit. Well, let me document it. I don't know if I did. With the trend textbook setup was a 15-minute zone below, but wasn't close, so wasn't worried about it. We're just looking for this pattern. And NNT, baby. And let me show you my face so I can tell you goodbye. Let's get rid of my face bar here. Okay, I know I yap a lot. That's the whole point. I don't want to lose your attention. I want to keep you. I want you to learn. I solely want you to join the mentorship. I know I don't shut up about it. It's just because I want you. I want to make you profitable. I know I can. I know what I teach works. And I know I've mastered what I teach or what I do teach. So yeah, tune in for the live streams. If you can't watch the lives, I'm getting better at making them more like real videos. So you can just rewatch them after I post them. There's just a lot, but there's a lot of good value in them. And that's basically it. Love to make you profitable. Let me know. The course is amazing. I got 3 cats that run around my house. So you can see one's in the camera right now. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about anything. I love inputs. I take no malice. I think that's it. And I maintain an 85% win rate consistently. But as you can see, it's because I'm so selective with my trades. I invalidate a lot of plays. And that's it. All right. Hopping off. Appreciate you. T2Y out.
Hmm?